Hi, Jason Knott with CE Pro, and we are talking about the CEDIA Expo with Joe DeJesus, Product Manager of Custom Installation for Lenbrook. Joe, thanks for joining me today.
Pleasure to be here.
All right, let's jump right into it. An integrator's got 5 minutes to come by the Lenbrook booth at CEDIA. What should he ask about? What should he see?
Well, for 5 minutes, I hope he brings running shoes, but I think the central theme of our booth this year is the BluOS platform, which this year is 5 years old. So back in 2013, we introduced our dream to have a streaming platform that would do high resolution. And I think that's kind of what we're going back to now. It has graduated to the point now where we now have 17 providers at this point in time, music services, and growing, might be 18 by the time the show comes around. But we want to show at CEDIA how it is able to shake hands with all the major command and control systems on the market right now. So the other thing that he'll be able to do is see some things that are relatively new, just a little bit of a facelift that we've done to our user interface to make it a little bit easier for the end user to interact with it. That is a very, very big push that we have. And of course, experience some of the other items that we have at our booth with some of our partners and peripheral product lines.
Speaking of partners, I understand this is the first year you guys are going to be partnering with DALI. Tell us about that.
That's right. This is our first year partnering with the Danish audiophile loudspeaker company that a lot of people know about. And you will be able to see a wide array of their products there. Of particular note, and this ties back into the BluOS, is they'll be introducing their Callisto product for the first time. Callisto is a high-performance loudspeaker which is powered and has the added advantage of having a BluOS platform built into it. So you can stream directly from any of your sources to the speaker itself. That's pretty exciting because our belief is that, and it's been our belief with BluOS, that you do not have to trade off convenience to have something with that kind of level of refinement and performance.
What's going on with PSB, another one of the Lenbrook companies?
PSB, well, the big thing with PSB is we're adding to our architectural speaker line right now. We're introducing 4 new in-ceiling models. They're built on the platform that we have had now with the existing 610, 650, and 630. And I think the big thing that an installer would note, other than the fact that they sound great, although it's kind of hard to get a good listening environment inside of CEDIA, is the particular attention that we have taken to making the installer happy, making the project manager happy, making the system designer happy, and just making life considerably easier. So not just the speaker itself and the finishing values, but how it is installed from the very beginning, from the pre-construction bracket to putting on the back can to, the final moment of putting on the grill kit.
Are there any educational classes you guys have got planned?
Yes, one of the things that we have committed to is getting the information out there of what the BluOS platform is able to do. So we will have a course that is being run by 2 of our elite trainers, Marshall Courier and Eric Schweikert, basically showing how to apply the BluOS platform, whether it be from a tablet to a smartphone, whether it be in the Crestron ecosystem, or all the various partners that we have, Control4, Elan, RTI, URC, just making the guys familiar with how to make everything shake hands as well as they could.